Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for taking your time to watch my video. And if this is your first time on my channel, I'm so excited you're here and I really hope you will like what you see and consider subscribing to my channel. This video will be another Motivation Monday video and it's gonna be a spring cleaning video. I know spring has been over here for quite a while, but I haven't done any spring cleaning video yet. And this one will be a little bit different because I'm gonna be cleaning all the odd things that we usually don't clean on a regular basis. And this video is also a collaboration with my great friend here on YouTube. Her name is Angela Dawn and she makes wonderful videos. Her channel is very similar to mine, but I think I'm gonna let her introduce herself.
Hi you guys, my name's Angela. I'm the mother of two kids. One is 10 and one is going to be 13. I've been with my husband for 15 years and I am a stay-at-home mom. I've actually worked and been at home, so I've enjoyed best of both worlds, but I enjoy doing YouTube. My channel is Angela Dawn. I do a little bit of everything. I really love to decorate and everything that I do is on a budget, so I enjoy do-it-yourself projects. I enjoy cleaning videos. I do a little bit of fun nights, vlogging, you name it. So I hope you can come over and check out my channel, and if you enjoy it, I would love to have you subscribe and join my YouTube family. Thank you guys so much for watching. This was a very fun collaboration for us.
After watching my video, please go ahead and check out Angela's video and her channel and tell her something nice in the comments. Introduce yourself and tell her you're coming from my channel. I'm gonna link her channel in the description box down below, as well as her cleaning video, so you can check it out. Keep on watching, join me with cleaning, and I really hope this will give you motivation to do the same. Let's get started. The first thing I needed to clean were all the fans, chandeliers and light fixtures in our house. There's always so much dust that collects on them. What I'm using over here is, first I go around with a paper towel and make sure to collect all the dust that was on top, and then I clean it with the cleaning spray and a clean rag. Next thing is the place above the refrigerator. There's always so much dust, and I actually clean this pretty often, but there's always a lot of dust. And again, I'm using a paper towel at first to take the dust off, and then I use the cleaning spray to finish it off. Next thing on my list is the space above the cabinets and also the crown molding as well. In my house, baseboard gets dusty pretty quick, so I have to clean them once a month, and I knew this is going to be one of the things to clean in a spring cleaning as well. We all know that blinds is one place where the dust likes to collect. What I'm using is just a regular duster, and I just go over my blinds. I read somewhere that if you use a spray, any kind of spray on blinds, they actually form a residue and the dust sticks to it. So I don't use any spray on them. I just lightly brush them off with a duster.
Wanna shake the ground, wanna break away, let loose. I'm tired of waiting, gotta make that move. All the neon signs, now they shout to me and you.
Over here, I am just pouring water in a bucket, and I am putting some Dawn dish soap, and I'm gonna use that to clean my outside windows. I mentioned in one of my previous videos that our windows and everything outside actually was covered with pollen dust, and I needed to use Dawn dish soap with the warm water to just wash that off before I cleaned it with a window cleaning spray.
Got a restless mind, and now I won't let go. So let us be crazy before we are cold. You can take us out, your doubts won't hold us down, 'cause we're gonna light up the sky where we go. Oh, do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna? Something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it life. And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it life. And tomorrow's far away, should I let the party fade? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, let us on tonight.
And the last thing on my list is my oven. In my stove, I have two ovens, and for the most part, I'm using this little one over here. And it's not in bad condition because I use this oven liner, and it is a lifesaver. Nothing gets spilled, and if it does, I just wash the mat off, and that's it. So what I'm gonna do, I just take Dawn dish soap and water, and I clean everything from the inside and scrub the things that got stuck on the sides. Over here, I'm gonna make a paste from baking soda and white vinegar, and I'm gonna use that paste to clean the glass part of my oven. Actually, this type of paste can be used to clean the whole oven from the inside, and it's good for cleaning a glass top of your stove as well.
So as you can see, I just spread it all over my glass, and now I'm using the white vinegar in a spray bottle to spray it all over, and I am scrubbing everything off.
We are done. I am so happy that I am done cleaning things that I didn't clean for a while, and I can breathe easily. I really hope this gave you motivation to clean things in your home as well. And if you did, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, check out Angela's channel and her video as well. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.